Good day, my name is Okeke Scholastica and I remain the economics teacher. And today we'll be treating on differences between economics and other science subjects. Economics is different from other science subjects because it is a social science and not a pure science. Unlike physics and chemistry that are pure or natural science. Now we are going to list the differences between the economics and other science subjects. And one is economics studies human behavior. Like we said, economics studies what? The behavior of man. The choices they make and the reason behind it. While physics or chemistry studies inanimate objects. 2. Economics does not make use of a definite laboratory. The behavior of human beings cannot be studied in the laboratory. Yes. While chemistry or physics have a laboratory, this laboratory is where they perform their experiments and keep experimental equipments. We say that physics and chemistry have a laboratory where they perform their experiments and keep the experimental equipment. But economics does not have a laboratory. Why? Because it studies human behavior. Okay? The human behavior studied in economics is flexible. They are different and unique. The human behavior changes from time to time in different situations. Like we say that human beings have different characters, have different behaviors, have unique behaviors and characters. Your character can never be the same as mine. Mine can never be the same as yours. Okay? So, the study of economics is flexible because of this difference in human characters, in human behavior, which can change from time to time depending on the situation one finds his or herself. While in physics and chemistry, the objects studied are rigid. Its nature does not change but remains the same. That is the third point we made. Now the fourth point. Economics does not reach a definite conclusion after studying its object, which is human being. Economics does not reach a definite conclusion after studying its object, which is human being, because of the flexibility nature of human. Okay? It doesn't reach to a definite conclusion. The conclusion made after its study is not definite because of the nature of human being. Now, human beings have the right to express themselves through their behavior. They have the free will on how to live their life once they are not hurting anyone. Yes, I have to include that. As a human being, you have the right to live your life the way it pleases you. But make sure that it doesn't hurt anyone. It doesn't affect anyone in one way or another. Okay? That you have the freedom to live the life you want doesn't mean you should start harming others in any way. Now, so because of these rights and free will, they cannot be subdued to be rigid by behaving in a particular way. Because of these rights that human beings have in living their lives, they cannot be subjected to live in a particular way, or they cannot be subdued to be rigid in order for them to behave in a particular way. It's not possible. Okay, having a particular behavior at a particular time and place, that is being rigid. Why physics and chemistry arrived at a definite conclusion. Economics does not arrive at a definite conclusion due to the nature of human being, due to the flexibility of human behavior, but physics and chemistry does. Okay. Don't forget to check out my website, which is broadeconomics.com.ng. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. My handles are Broad Economics. And thanks in advance as you do so. That will be all for now. Thank you.